Today I will discuss about radiopharmaceuticals. This topic divided in two parts. In first part, introductions of radiopharmaceuticals. Content of these topics are introduction of radiopharmaceuticals, types and biological effect of radiation, properties and example of radioactive isotope, advantage and disadvantage of radioactive isotope, work of radioactive isotope, use of radiopharmaceuticals, measurement of radioactivity, factors, side effect, and last is nuclear medicine. Now start from introductions of radiopharmaceuticals. Radiopharmaceuticals is a radioactive compound which is used for diagnostics purpose and therapeutic treatment of human disease. Radiopharmaceuticals composed of two parts. First is radionucleotide and second is pharmaceuticals. Radiopharmaceuticals is a medicinal formulation containing radioisotope which are safe for administration in human for diagnostic use. Radiopharmaceuticals have minimal pharmacological effect because in most cases they are used in trace quantities. 95% of radiopharmaceuticals are used in nuclear medicine. Radionucleotide is a radioactive nuclide with an unstable nucleus that dissipates its excess energy by spontaneous emitting ionization radiations. Radioactive isotopes are those compounds which have same atomic number but different mass number. Now, types of radiation. There are three types of particle are used. First is alpha particle, second is beta particle, and third is gamma particle. Alpha particle have a high atomic number. These are the helium nucleus and have a high energy and high ionization but least penetration power. These are extremely toxic. Beta particle, these are the electron. Beta particle are not destructive as alpha particle but can be used therapeutically. Gamma particle, these are the electromagnetic variation compared with light of much shorter wavelength. They easily penetrate because of shorter wavelength and low ionization power. Biological effect of radiation. When radiopharmaceuticals used in high dose causes some biological effect, includes skin damage, nausea, vomiting, increased temperature, blood changes, bone marrow damage, damage to cell lining of the small intestine, damage to blood vessels in the brain. Why do we use radioisotope? Identify a part of a molecule and follow it very precisely. It is possible to follow what happened in times, and it is possible to trace what happened to individual atoms in a pathway. Properties of radioactive isotope. Radioactive isotopes should have some properties like short half-life, emit radiation, pure gamma emitters, target to non-target ratio, localization only into tissue desired, easy to preparations, cheap and easily available. Some examples of radioisotopes are used like carbon-14 used in research in metabolism, hydrogen-3 used in research in cell biology, iodine-125 is used in radioimmunoassay, iodine-131 treating hyperthyroidism and hyperthyroid cancers. Phosphorus-32 is used in nucleic acid research. Iron-59 is used in treatment of anemia and pregnancy disorder. Cobalt-16 is used diagnosis of cancer. Sodium 24 is used circulation disorder and pumping action of heart. Indium 111 for labeling monoclonal antibodies and peptides. Technetium 99M is used to detect coronary artery disease, evaluating myocardial function, urinary blood imaging, salivary gland imaging. Iridium 119 to treating tumor irradiation. Now, productions of radioisotope. Radioisotope produced by 4 methods. First method is nuclear fission. Second is neutron activation process. Third is charged particle induced reactions. Fourth is radionucleotide generators. Now, disadvantage and advantage of radiopharmaceuticals. Disadvantage of radiopharmaceuticals: it is commonly cure to cancer, can treat multiple disease site, widely available mode of treatment, directly treat tumor, especially useful for bone metastasis. Can provide fast onset of actions. Single dose is effective for some patient. Nuclear medicine test can be performed on children. Nuclear medicine procedure are cost effective and painless. Nuclear medicine procedure have no side effect and are completely safe. Disadvantage of radiopharmaceuticals: nuclear medicine tests are not recommended for pregnant women because unborn babies have a greater sensitivity to radiation than children or adults. Filling the patient teeth, dental brushes and permanent bridge may cause some distortion around the mouth area. Now, how does it work of isotope? A radioactive isotope that can be injected safely into the body and emit gamma radiation as it decays. A carrier molecule which delivers the isotope to the area to be treated. A gamma camera scans the radiation area and create an image. Now, use of radiopharmaceuticals. Radiopharmaceuticals play an important role in 2 ways. First is therapeutic use. Second is diagnostic use. Therapeutic use means related with treatment of disease, and diagnostic use means identify the disease. Therapeutic use of radiopharmaceuticals. Designed to deliver therapeutic dose of ionization radiation to a specific disease site such as cancer tumor. Used to treat thyroid cancer, Graves' disease, hyperthyroidism and bone pain palpitations. Now, diagnostic use of radiopharmaceuticals used to derive detailed descriptions of the morphology of internal organ of the body and various internal organ of the function of various internal organ of the body. Now, measurement of radioactivity. Radioactivity is a process in which particles emit radiation from nucleus. The radioactivity is measured in following method are used. First is the Geiger-Müller counter, proportional chamber, autoradiography, scintillation counter, electroscope, Wilson cloud chamber, photographic plate method, ionization chamber. Now, Geiger-Müller counter methods. Geiger-Müller counter is a instrument that detect and measuring ionization radiation, used in dosimetry, radiological protections, used in experimental physics, used in nuclear industries. Principle of Geiger-Müller counter. The Geiger-Müller counter consists of tube, the sensitive element which detect the radiation, and the process electronic which the result. The GM counter tube is filled with an inert gas like helium, neon, argon at low pressure to which a high voltage is applied. The tube conduct electrical charge when a particle or photon of incident radiation make the gas conductive by ionization. The ionization is amplified within the tube by Townsend discharge effect to produce an easily measured detection pulse, which is fed to the processing and display electronics. The electronic generate the high voltage, typically 400 to 900 volts, that has to be applied to the GM tube to enable its operation. Next is side effect of radiopharmaceuticals. When radiopharmaceuticals are used in very small dose to study an organ of the body, side effects are rare and usually involve in allergic reactions. These effects may be occur almost immediately or few minutes after the radiation is given. And next is factors affecting the design of radiopharmaceuticals includes compatibility, change of molecule, size of the molecule, protein binding, solubility, and last is stability. Next is nuclear medicine. Nuclear medicine is a branch of medicine or medical imaging that use radionuclide and release on process of radioactive decay in the diagnostic treatment of disease. The principle of nuclear medicines can be simplified into a procedure which detect and produce an image of quality as well as distribution of radioactivity of the injected isotope in a particular disease and particular tissue studies. Common nuclear medicine studies. Nuclear medicine play in role in pulmonary studies includes diagnose and quality of pulmonary function, emboli perfusion, detect pulmonary and complication of AIDS. In orthopedic study means identify bone trauma, osteomyelitis, evaluate arthritic changes. Next is oncology studies. In oncology study includes tumor localization, tumor staging, and identification of bone pain. Neurological studies involve diagnose stroke disease, Alzheimer, demonstrate change disease in its dementia. Next is renal studies includes diagnose renovascular hypertension, detect renal transplant, rejection renal function. Other is cardiac studies, localized toxicity due to myocardial chemotherapy infarction, identify cardiac shunt, select a patient for angioplasty. Next is SPECT scan. SPECT scan is a single photon emission computerized tomography scan. SPECT scan is a type of nuclear imaging test, which means it uses a radioactive substance and a special camera to create 3D pictures. Used in heart imaging, brain imaging, tumor detection, bone scan. Other is PET scan. PET scan, that is positron emission tomography scan. It is a medical imaging technology to view how organ system of the body are functioning at a cellular level. It can help the physician detect disease like cancer and Alzheimer, and determine appropriate treatment for the disease, and track body response to the treatment of the disease. Other use of PET scan, like a patient with condition affecting the brain, heart disease, certain type of cancer, in Alzheimer disease, some neurological disorder. Next is conclusion of radiopharmaceuticals. Radiopharmaceuticals have become important of their use as diagnostic purpose and therapeutic purpose. The recent trend in increased cancer cases, their detection and treatment measured by using radioactive isotope. This was the introduction of radiopharmaceuticals that I was discussed. Thank you.